Maple. Hopefully, firstly, you should have watched my YouTube video on perimeter and area. And that was basically just like I would in class. I would stand up at the front near the smartboard and go through a few of the basics with you first before setting you off on a task. Okay, so pretend that that's what you've just watched, and now you're ready to go. So here is your learning sheet for today. Okay, and it's area and perimeter, as you know. And it says on here, measure the perimeter of these rectangles. So I'd like you to do that. Now, if you are unable to print these sheets off at home, just draw something of a similar size in your purple books and measure them, okay? It doesn't have to be these exact shapes if you can't print them off. The point of it is for you to be able to draw the shapes, measure them correctly, and then write the perimeter of your shapes either in the shapes here or in your books, okay? It's entirely up to you. Okay, and you've got two of those similar activities. Now, if you are drawing it yourself, I would use centimetres and don't do any halves or 3.2 centimetres. Just make each of your sides exactly 2, 3, 4, or however many centimetres it is, and that will make your job of calculating the perimeter much easier. Unless, of course, you want to challenge yourself. Okay, then it says here, find the perimeter of the following shapes, and this time they've written the measurements of the shapes on there for you. So what you have to do is add them up. Okay, remembering the perimeter is the outside. Now, the next part of this question says each square has an area of 4 square centimetres. So each of these little blue squares has an area of 4 square centimetres. What is the length of each square and what is the perimeter of the whole shape? So just have a little think about that. It's not all in 1 centimetre. This time the area is 4 centimetres, okay? Not the perimeter, the area. So if the area of a square is 4 centimetres, what's the perimeter of each side, or the length of each side, should I say? Okay, once you've completed those tasks, there's then a challenge. There's one challenge for you. Okay, so everyone to have a go at that. Okay, just do loads of workings out if you're not sure, and just have a go. Okay, and lastly, when you have finished this sheet, then I have set you some purple mash to-dos along area and perimeter, just so I can be sure that you have consolidated your learning and you have understood this lesson. Any questions or queries, either contact us via Edmodo or the Maple inbox. Thanks.